Hi, this is Null Squared again, and now I'd like to present to you a small test runner from my custom package. Now the custom package has all the custom codes such as boxbug and circlebug, crab, rock, etc. And it simply combines all of these into a small, well, not so much small, but into a small piece of code, but large world. Now this large world has 10,000 or less, possibly less, rocks, 80%, 15% of flowers, and 5% of gold, and 1,000 or possibly less bugs, in this case box bugs. So once we run this, we get this. Here we have our box bugs doing what they do best. Here we have some rocks, a flower, and some gold. Of course, if there's something in the box bug's way, it simply rotates. And in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the box bug's side length is 5, meaning it would move 6 squares, then once it hits this rock, it's going to rotate again, and thus it's going to move basically in a line. Once again, we can simply click on the bug, say Control, and we can move it however we want. So let's let this bug. Let's put it right over here. And then let's say stop controlling box bug. Rotates up, there it goes. And it ate that flower. And so on. Now what is this gold for? Well, we have a gold digger. What a gold digger does is use A-star pathfinding to find the optimal path to get to the nearest piece of gold. Then it goes for it, collects it, and finds a new piece of gold to look for. If there's something in its way, such as a bug, then it simply waits for that bug. It still eats flowers because it inherits the ability from the base bug. However, it looks for gold. We could also manually control it just as usual. Let's find some. Oh, there's some gold. So I'll go left over here. Let's go over like that, and we'll get this gold over here. Well, now this progress bar on its head indicates how much gold it has collected relative to its maximum amount of gold that it needs to collect. So if we just let's hit simulation stop controlling gold digger. Let's follow it, and it pathfinds. There's some gold. Here's some more gold. Let it collect its last piece of gold. Up. Once the progress bar fills up, it doesn't look for any more gold because it's found all it wants. Let's box it in a bit. Let's create some rocks around it. Rock here. Rock there. Maybe one over here. And there. Let's stop following it. Let's create one over here. Rock. Here and here. I'm simply trying to create a small path that it needs to follow to get out of here. And that looks decent enough. Now, if I'm correct, then I'll probably look for one of these pieces of gold, probably this one or that one. So if we simply say follow, and then we call set max gold, let's tell it to find, instead of the default 15, let's tell it to find 25 pieces of gold. And there it goes. It uses A-star pathfinding, finds its way out of its little cave, and goes to get the gold. Now let's stop following this gold digger. Let's create a hacker bug. Now what hacker bug does is move through rocks, kill any surrounding bugs, still eat flowers, move really fast, turn erratically, and it cannot be killed. So if you hit kill, notice nothing happens. And it kills any surrounding bugs. So if we create a poor little gold digger, excuse me, if we create a poor little gold digger over here, it just dies. Once again, let's stop following this hacker bug, let it do what it wants to do. And let's create a Z-bug. No, let's create a bomb. Once the progress bar ticks, everything in a 10 unit radius disappears. So here's some bugs. Let's create a bomb over here. Once the tick, oh, everything disappears. Now we have some space to create a Z-bug. Why not? Z-bug moves and stops. Makes a Z, stops. Create a Z-bug of smaller side length. Let's tell it side length of 1. Moves, rotates, moves, small z. And that just about... Oh, here's another one. We have a crab, actually. Crabs are kind of like hacker bugs. If they encounter any bugs, they eat the bugs. But they cannot move through rocks, and they're not very smart. Meaning, it doesn't actually look for this bug. It'll only eat it. It'll only eat that bug if it encounters it. So if you were to create a bug somewhere over here in its path, oh, it just ate that bug. I'm hoping it'll eat another bug soon. Maybe one of these. Oh, there it just ate that bug. Up in that one. Well, that just about concludes our little demonstration. Note how big this grid is, and it's running in real time. More than 100 frames per second if we're zoomed in. It's back, and it's all filled up. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for further